Start.
Experimental study on mechanical and durability properties of concrete using steel fibers. Presented by myself, Vishnu Vardhan, and my friend Satish Vadivaran and Srini Garavindan. And our guide is Mr. Ponpandian.
Concrete is one of the most versatile building materials. It can be cast to fit any structural shape, from a cylindrical water storage tank to a rectangular beam or column in high-rise building. Advantages of using concrete include high compressive strength, good fiber resistance, high water resistance, low maintenance, and a long service life. Disadvantages of using concrete include poor tensile strength, low strain of fracture, and formwork requirement. And the major disadvantage is that concrete develops lighter cracks during curing. Hence, fibers are added to the concrete to overcome these advantages. Addition of fibers in the matrix has many important effects. Most notable among the improved mechanical characteristics of fiber resistance concrete are its superior fracture strength, impact resistance. The main reason for adding steel fibers to concrete resistance is to improve the post-cracking response to the concrete, that is to improve its energy absorption capacity and apparent ductility, and to provide crack resistance and crack control. Steel fibers, tensile strength, water elasticity, and stiffness modulus and mechanical deformation provide an extended means of internal mechanical interlock. This provides a user-friendly product with increased ductility that can be used in applications of high impact and fatigue loading without the fear of brittle concrete failure. Thus, SFRC exhibits better performance not only under static and clash stability applied loads but also under fatigue, impact, and impulsive loading.
The objectives of the research are to study the mechanical properties of M50 grade concrete containing steel fibers, to access the durability characteristics of concrete, to optimize the percentage of steel fibers. These are the literature review. And the materials we have used are cement, the ordinary Portland cement, the grade conforming using IS code 12269-1987 using the investigation, and the fine aggregates are locally available natural river sand conforming to zone 2 used as fine aggregate. And the coarse aggregates are local aggregates comprising 20 mm and 12.5 mm and size coarse aggregates of crushed granite type aggregates and fine aggregates in saturated surface dry condition. And the water are locally available potable water, and the admixture are Rehob Bill 1125. The methodology is collection of steel fibers, material test and mix design, casting and testing of specimen, analysis of test results and discussions, conclusion and suggestion for future studies. And the material tests are coarse and fine aggregates and cement. For coarse and fine aggregates, specific gravity, water absorption, bulk density and sieve analysis. And for cement test, specific gravity, normal consistency and initial and final setting time. These are the results for sieve analysis for river sand, which are the cumulative results passing through. Test results for coarse aggregate of 20 mm and 12.5 mm and for fine aggregate. These are the results for specific gravity of cement is 3.15%, normal consistency of cement is 30%, and initial setting time of cement is 30 minutes, and the final setting time of cement is 365 minutes. Casting and curing. The models of the main specimen were made from the steel fiber plates, and the standard steel models are used for casting of cubes 150 mm into 150 mm into 150 mm. And the cylinders is 150 mm to 300 mm, and the beam is 150 mm into 150 mm to 700 mm. The design mix proportional for single trial. It will be continued by Srini Garavindan.
The design mix is calculated. These are the images while we are casting. The design mix is calculated for 1 meter cube. The water to cement ratio is 0.36. Free water is 160 and the cement is 450 kg. Then the volume of cement, the volume of aggregates are calculated. At last the density of concrete is calculated. Then the volume of steel fibers for 0.5% and 0.5% and 1% is also calculated. Testing details. Compression test for cubes. 7th day curing test result. These are the tests for conventional and 0.5% and 0.8% and 1% in single aspect ratio. Then the other aspect ratio is 30 mm into 5 mm. the percentage of steel of 0.5 percentage, 0.8 percentage, and 1 percentage is added, and the value is calculated, and this is the tabulation. 28th day curing test result for cubes. These are the test results for the dimension 50 mm into 1 mm. The next aspect ratio, the dimensions are 30 mm into 5 mm. These are the test results.
The 20th day split tensile test for results was cylinder. This is for single aspect ratio 50 mm to 1 mm. These are the results for conventional control mix 0.5%, 0.8% and 1%. And the other aspect ratio is 30 mm into 0.5 mm. This is also for conventional 0.5, 0.8% and 1%. This is a comparison between both the aspect ratios of steel fibers. This 28th day result for both the aspect ratios. This is flexural strength test results for beams. This is in a single aspect ratio 50 mm to 1 mm. These are the results for flexural strength. This is 30 into 0.5 mm and other aspect ratios. These are the results for flexural strength. This is the comparison of both the percentages, all the percentages which are control mix 0.5%, 0.8% and 1%. Durability test. Durability test of rapid chloride penetration test for cylinders. This method covers the determination of the electrical conductance of concrete to provide a rapid indication of its resistance to the penetration of chloride. This test method consists of monitoring the amount of electrical current passed through the 51 mm and the thick slices of 4 in 102 mm nominal diameter cores of cylinders during a 6-hour period. A potential difference of 60 volt DC is maintained across the ends of the specimen, one of which is immersed in a sodium chloride solution and the other in the sodium hydroxide solution. This test method is suitable for evaluation of materials and material proportions for design purposes and research and development. The chloride penetration based on the charge passed of 4000 high and 2000 to 4000 moderate and 1000 to 2000 low and 100 to 1000 very low and less than 100 is negligible. These are the RCPT apparatus. These are both the aspect ratios of steel fibers, which are the charge passed through coulombs.
Conclusion. By using steel fiber, we increase the properties, or we increase the mechanical and durable properties.
Thank you.